Hey YouTubers, Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, the step-by-step process on how to perform an emergency shutdown on your lawnmower. This should be a memory item to all lawnmower drivers. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, outside in the garage now. I've got the owner's manual in front of us, and go to page 16. Very important. Always become familiar with these. This is basically a memory item for a lawnmower owner. Emergency stopping. In the event that you need to perform an emergency stop and turn your engine off immediately, these are the 4 steps you need to perform. Again, this should be a memory item and always known verbatim by the driver of the lawnmower. So what we'll do first is review the 4 steps. Step 1, move steering levers to neutral position. Step 2, set parking brake. Step 3, push PTO knob down to off position. And 4, turn ignition key to off position. So again, 4 steps should be known verbatim as a memory item for every driver of your lawnmower. From here, we'll go to the lawnmower and perform these 4 steps. All right, YouTubers, in the yard now, and in front of us is our Gravely ProTurn ZX60. We love this machine, and again, we're going to start the engine and perform the emergency stopping or shutdown. So, from here, we'll hop on the lawnmower, and we will lower the steering levers on each side. Verify your parking brake is on. Come to the side control panel, verify your keys off, your PTO is down and off, your choke is down and off, and your thrust lever is shifted to the rear turtle mode or slow mode. From here, whether or not your engine is cold or warm will depend on the position of your choke. In our case, our engine is cold, so it is going to come up. However, in the event that your engine is warm, it will be shifted down. However, this is kind of irrelevant because your engine will already be running and you will be out mowing the lawn. However, in our case, our motor is off and cold. So we'll start the engine. Keep the choke on for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, lower the choke, and we're going to allow our engine to run and warm up for about 5 minutes. All right, YouTubers, off the mower now, and that's all I wanted to show you. Again, that's very important as a mower driver. You should know that by memory for your safety and the safety of others around you while you're mowing. So hopefully that helps, and again, you keep that verbatim to memory. From here below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Do us a favor, click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That'll be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, YouTubers, we have an entire playlist on working on this Gravely lawnmower, and that link is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. There's a lot of helpful videos in that playlist, and you may find some or all of them helpful. Thanks again for watching.